What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. We are doing a giveaway, an international giveaway. I haven't done a giveaway in a long time, let alone an international giveaway. So basically everyone in the world is up for this giveaway. The countries that aren't, I'll list down below, but it's a very few amount, and I don't even think people from those countries even watch my videos anyway, so it's not even a big deal. But we're doing an amazing giveaway with Rode. Rode makes microphones. They're probably known most for their microphones, but they also make these amazing vlogger kits for your cell phone. They have them for the iPhone edition, aka Lightning edition. They have the USB-C edition, and they have a universal edition, but they are being super cool and doing a vlogger kit USB-C edition. So I know I have a lot of Android viewers, and you have a USB-C port at the bottom, and you can use this, and it's so easy to use and amazing. Inside the box, this is everything you get. This is a big time thing. You get the Video Mic Me C microphone. It's a directional microphone. You get a rubber clip, a windshield, a smart grip, a tripod, a micro LED on camera light, a clip-on diffuser. You get 8 colored filters and a USB-C cable. It's seriously an amazing little kit. I use it all the time. When I just did my review for my Galaxy S21 Ultra, I actually used that kit. I was walking on the street just holding it. The microphone sounds awesome. The little clip that you hold on to, the little tripod thing that you can hold on to or use it as a tripod, works amazing as well. And then you got lights. It's seriously a really, really great little kit for people that are looking to start their own channel or want to film like home movies better and get better sound, or maybe you just want to use it as maybe you've been doing YouTube for a while and you want this. It's seriously a great thing. So what you got to do, super easy, just leave a comment down below and answer this. What's your favorite song right now? What's a song that you absolutely love? Put it in the comments down below, and that will enter you in for this contest. Also, the contest will end, I'll put it a week from the time of making this. April 21st, that's when we'll choose our winner for this contest. April 21st, 5 p.m. Pacific, there we go. And all you gotta do, again, leave your comment down below, favorite song, and then if you want to, it would be a big help for me. Subscribe, you don't have to, but it'd be a big help to me anyway. And then beyond that, I think that's pretty much it. If you want to watch my video on it, I'll link that down below. There's also some links down below if you want to check out the kit on Rode's website as well, which I recommend. So check all the links and the restrictions down below, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Good luck to everybody. I will be choosing one winner. I'll see you guys down the road.